Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Yana and in today's video I want to share with you guys a couple of jewelry pieces that I have received from a brand called Sia Bling. They specialize in wedding and also engagement jewelry pieces and just anything beautiful that you can wear for a special occasion. I've got 4 different pieces. Look at this beautiful package. It's absolutely amazing. Doesn't matter what time of the year or occasion, the packaging looks so elegant and so classy. I've got 4 pieces all in total, and because we have St. Valentine's coming this weekend, I've got myself a new dress. This is the dress in this beautiful wine color, and I'm thinking to wear some of these pieces with the dress and some other accessories for a dinner outside. So let me show you the pieces. First piece is going to be a beautiful necklace. So I wanted to go with a necklace that wouldn't be a chain classic design, but something different this time. And I have chosen this one. How beautiful it is. It has a stone in the middle and it is gold plated. I will leave for you guys all the details about each item here in the corner. How pretty it is. And I will also show you in a close-up video how each item looks like. Such a pretty piece. I absolutely love it. I love the shape of the oval stone here. The pieces that they have has in a base stone and silver and then gold plating, and then each stone would have different amount of carats in it and the sizing would be different depending on the style. That's why I will put for you all the details there in a corner. Let's put it on and I'll show you how it looks like on me. It is so pretty. So this is the length. You can put it up or down. You can't adjust the width of the necklace itself because it's just one sturdy piece, but the stone can be moved. So I would say the stone sits just in this hollow spot between my clavicle bones, and this is where I like it. So you can bring it up or down just a tiny bit and then it just stays in place. How gorgeous it is. I absolutely love it. Such a beautiful piece. Then to go with it, I've chosen a ring which is also gold plated, and the size of the stone is very similar to the size of the stone in a necklace. And this is the ring. It's an engagement style ring, but also can be worn even if you're not engaged. So I went with the size that would match this finger here. Let me just take my ultra human ring off. So this is how it looks like, and I'll show you up close here in detail how it looks like as well. It's just such a pretty piece. I absolutely love it. So beautiful, and it matches so well to the necklace, like the size of the stone, the shape, everything. Just on its own, these two can be a very good pair. This is not a set. My trick when I choose jewelry pieces that I want to match is to find similar styles that you can actually match into a set, even if it's not a set, because then it's easier for me to just grab 2 pieces. I know that they're already matching and just add it to the outfit, and I don't have to think too hard or too much what I'm gonna wear, like in terms of jewelry. So if I know that these 2 matching together perfectly, I know that they would be just add on to my outfit, and in 5 minutes I will be done and ready to go. And also when you match it together, it just looks more chic, more elegant, more classy. And in general, I love engagement rings to wear outside as a piece of jewelry. Like, I'm not engaged, I'm single, but they look so pretty. And it doesn't matter which hand you put it on, or even if you wear it to the middle finger, it just looks so elegant and so beautiful. Then the third item that I have ordered is this pair of oval earrings. They are so pretty as well, and I thought if I want to go just having ring and then a pair of earrings as 2 items only on me, it will look really nice. And then also if I want to just pair it just earrings and necklace, they would look nice as 2 together as well. So like basically I don't have to wear all 3 of them at once, although it looks really good together. Like, it doesn't look like you're going overboard because again, they are matching. They are really matchy, the size and the shape, everything. But my purpose was with these three items is to either wear it together or wear it separately, like only necklace and ring together, or maybe just ring and the earrings together, depending on if I'm trying to dress it up or down my outfit, what I'm wearing, where I'm going, what type of, event it is. But in general, it just looks so pretty. So these earrings, they're not gold plated, they are silver, but because the stone is quite big, you can't really see at the back whether it's silver or gold plated. All what you see from the front is the stone. That's why even though these two items are gold plated, like they still match pretty good together. So I really love it. Can you imagine, like, envision yourself sitting in a restaurant, and usually restaurants, they have this beautiful soft light that usually reflects so nicely in stones of the jewelry, like the stones start to play with the beautiful colors and sparkles. Like, can you imagine wearing this, and you're just touching the cutlery and having the dinner, and you have this beautiful ring on your finger? It's just like, oh, this is my favorite part about the jewelry, when you wear it for a beautiful dinner, somewhere in a beautiful place. Like the colors and the sparkle in your jewelry pieces, it just makes you feel so special. Yeah. Now, the last item is the item that I'm going to be doing a giveaway on my Instagram. And it's this beautiful square shape stone ring. It's an engagement ring. So pretty. My favorite part about this ring, apart from the square shape, because I think it's the most classic design ever, is the little stones framing the stone itself. So it's like little stones here to the sides, which you can see here up close, and also little ones to the side of the band as well. I think this design is so unique and so beautiful. They have a lot of different designs there with the square shaped stone on their website, but when I saw this one, I immediately fell in love. I think it's very unique, very beautiful, and those little stones, they look so pretty, like so pretty. And the stone itself has so many different colors in it. Like, I am even looking at it now, and it sparkles in different colors like a rainbow. It's so pretty. So this is the ring that we are going to be doing a giveaway for. To enter the giveaway, go to my Instagram, which will be linked for you guys in the description box below and also in the corner here. Follow me on Instagram and also follow Sia Bling profile, which I will link for you down below as well. Follow both of us, and then in a comment section on my Instagram, you need to tag one of your friends. On February 16, I will be choosing randomly a winner, and I will be announcing the winner on my Instagram stories. Once the winner will be announced, I will contact the winner by DMing them, and I will need your ring size and your address so we could send you this beautiful ring. So if you want to win this ring, follow all the steps of giveaway, which will be also announced in one of my reels on the Instagram. So the steps will be listed all in the description below. So I wish you good luck when you apply, and I hope you will be the lucky winner to get this beautiful piece that then you can style it, or if you will be a male winner, you can give it as a gift to your loved ones. For now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check all these beautiful items down below. I will list to you everything I showed you here, and also use my discount code while you're shopping. Browse through their website. They have so many beautiful pieces, and I hope you will find something that you love. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next videos.